Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix 100% CPU usage on Windows 10 11. First, stop startup programs. Press Windows plus R, type msconfig, hit enter. In general, select selective startup and uncheck load startup items. Go to services, check hide all Microsoft services, then click disable all, apply, and restart your PC. Next, disable background apps. Search background apps and turn off apps like Xbox, Skype, Cortana. Then open Task Manager, go to Startup, and disable unnecessary apps like Discord, Spotify, OneDrive. Now reduce CPU from security features. Open Windows Security, go to Device Security Core Isolation, and turn off memory integrity. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, and turn off real-time protection. Next, stop update sharing. Search delivery optimization settings and turn off allow downloads from other PCs. Now improve performance. Search adjust appearance and performance, select adjust for best performance, then optionally enable thumbnails, font smoothing, and peak. Open services and disable these: background intelligent transfer service, connected user experiences, sysmain, Windows error reporting, and Windows search. Stop each and set startup type to disabled. Now fix power settings. Open Control Panel, Power Options. Try Balanced, High Performance, or enable Ultimate Performance using PowerShell command from description. Choose what works best. Then go to Advanced Settings. Processor Power Management. Set max CPU to 80-100% and cooling to active. Finally, disable Fast Startup. Go to Power Options. Choose what power buttons do. Change unavailable settings, then uncheck. Turn on Fast Startup. Restart your PC and check CPU usage. That's it. Like and subscribe to Genie.